My name's Devin. I'm out here on the Rio Grande. I'm doing a section called the Racecourse, class 2 and 3 whitewater. I'm in an inflatable kayak right now. Got my PFD on so I stay floating, and I am wearing a helmet, but the camera's on the helmet right now so you can't see it. Oh yeah, here's a wave. Woo! And I'm just gonna head for the meat of it down here. Keep going, keep going. Oh yeah, oh there it was. Oh yeah. Woo! That's what I'm talking about. Get wet. All right, there's Well Rock. Time to start avoiding it. Yeah. Woo! Oh yeah. Here we go. This one's nice. Oh, big drop. Yeah. Woo! Oh, these waves are pushing me around. All right, that's the first drop of the narrows. This next part gets a little bit more technical. I'm gonna be trying to go through two rocks that I call the fangs. They look like two fangs coming out of the river. There's the fangs. All right, about halfway through the Narrows now. Next part's a nice long wave train, really fun. Here it comes. Oh yeah! Woo! Yeah! Woo! That's some cold water. Oh yeah! Takes my breath away. All right, now the final drop of the Narrows. Here we go. Try to line myself up right. Some big waves here. So I'm gonna be trying to hit it with the nose of my boat so I can crash through it. All right. Yeah. Oh, big wave coming. Big wave. Woo! Yeah! Oh yeah! Woo! Bloom to it right now. Woo! Uh-oh, it's big. Woo! Yeah! All right, get away from the rocks. Yes, all right. There we go. Woo! Yeah! That was good. That's a big one. South Hole. Well, that was fun. Again, my name's Devin, and that was the race course on the Rio Grande River. What a beautiful day it was.